Project to Cloud AWS 02. Our project problem is access EC2 Windows instance using PuTTY software and convert kluniversity.pem file into kluniversity.ppk file using PuTTygen software. I myself, Raghunandanlal Garikpati, bearing ID number 1900300483, and my teammate is Pinni Venkata Sai Sumant Kumar 1900 PuTTY is a common SSH client which is free to download and use. However, PuTTY does not support the PEM file, that is privacy enhanced mail key format. The key downloaded from AWS is in PEM format, so it must be converted into PPK format, that is PuTTY private key format. In order to do that, we will be using PuTTygen software. First, creating an EC2 instance in AWS Management Console. Like when we log into AWS Management Console, we will find an EC2 services, AWS services. After opening the EC2 AWS services, we find launch instance. We will be using only free tier version because if we did not use free tier version, we will be built by AWS. We will be using Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base as the AMI because the problem statement is to use the Windows AMI. We will be using T2 Micro as an instance type. It is by default and it is also a free tier eligible. Next, we will go to the configure instance. We will be keeping them as default versions because no need, the problem statement is not referred to them, so we will not be doing anything else. And next to the add storage, we can add the size up to 30 GB, and we can add root volume, device, dev SDAA, snapshot, and volume type as SSD GP2, and so on. Next, we can add tags, but we can add tags at any time. There will be consist of three types of tags: business tags, user tags. Next, we will go to the configure security groups. The type for our security group is RDP and the protocol is TCP and port range is 3389. Security group name is launch wizard 1 and the description is given below. Now let's review and launch the instance. Here we can find the what are the options we have chose for the instance type. While launching, it will ask to create an key pair version. If if you have already an existing key pair, then you can choose it. Otherwise, create a new key pair. As per the project problem, the key pair name should be KL University. KL University underscore 1900300483. This is my ID number, and we have to download the key pair. It will be downloaded in the format of .pem file. Note the point that we have to download the key pair now only because after the launching the instance we cannot download the key pair. So after completion of the download of key pair, launch the instance. The instance will get launched. The instances are now launching. This is our instance. To have a better clarity about our instance, let's name the instance as KL University underscore 1. Save. The instance state is running and the status check will be, there will be two status checks and it will be verified soonly. It started initializing. So until the checks have been completed, we will just convert the .pem file into ppk file using PuTTygen software. Now let's head up to PuTTygen. After opening the putty key generator, that is puttygen, load the existing .pem file. By default, it will be shown like putty.ppk file. So select all files and select the downloaded pen file. It will show you a notice that successfully imported and hit OK. Now save the ppk file. Save private key. It will ask a warning that are you sure you want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Yes. Give the name as university and save it. It will be saved as .ppk file. Now go to our instance, EC2 instance. Head over there. Scroll down. This is our EC2 details about the EC2 network. Now let's connect our EC2 instance to the RDP client. Head over there. Connect RDP client and download the remote desktop file. It will be saved as .rdp. Now we have successfully finished the download of the RDP file also. Now, but we have to get the password. So it will be asking to browse your key pair. Note the point here that we have to upload the .pem file, not .ppk file. Now decrypt the password and the password is this. Now head over here and click password copied. Now just head over where you have downloaded the RDP file. Now open it. Remote desktop connection and it will be asking whether to connect it or not. Yes, connect. It will be asking password. The password which I have copied earlier, let's paste it here and hit OK. It will be asking certificate details like and hit enter or yes. Yeah, now it's connecting. Our EC2 instance using Windows has been connected. It's been loading. It is personalizing the settings for us. Yeah, we have successfully created a virtual EC2 instance using Windows AMI. This is the hostname and the instance ID and public IP address. This is the information of the virtual EC2 instance created using Windows AMI. After completion, this is the final project. Now close the EC2 application instance. Your remote session will be disconnected. Okay, and don't forget to close the after completion of the project. Don't forget to close the instance which you have created early because after some limit of time it will be charged. So let's close it. Thank you.